Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Nandini Hainer Daily Journal. Okay, this time I will give my comment, my opinion about a video from Al Jazeera English channel, and the title of video is Italy's Venice floods costing $1 billion in damages. Okay, I think it's so sad. It's so pitiful that the Venice was floods, and it's almost 80% 80% the city was flooding, and I mean that many people will many people was hard to live, hard to earns money because their livelihood that in Venice was flooding, that was closed because the floods. And also I think that I read in the article that the government said that they will try as hard as they can to to help people to make the city more the city better I think better it's better, and the people who live in Venice can do their activity like easily, because if they because of the floods, they cannot do their job, and it's the floods is 1.8 meter. This right now I think that it's so high that and there are many museum and and many places that had been their livelihood, the place that people work is more close. And I think if it's still close until more than right now, I think that they can earn money earn money to eat, to their stuff, to their things. And I think it's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.